Are you ready to discover a hidden goldmine for affiliate marketing? Picture this, a platform with millions of active users, high engagement rates, and a pool of eager buyers. Get ready to dive into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing, where your earning potential knows no bounds. Welcome to a game-changing strategy that will transform your online business. In this video, you will learn that Pinterest offers immense potential for affiliate marketing due to its large user base and high engagement rates. Take advantage of this platform to reach a vast audience of potential buyers. Pinterest users have a buying mindset, actively seeking products and solutions. This makes them highly motivated and more likely to convert into customers, offering a valuable opportunity to drive affiliate earnings. When selecting affiliate products on platforms like Digistore24, consider factors such as commission rates, expected earnings per sale, popularity, and the availability of advertising media. Make informed decisions to maximize your success. Utilize AI tools like ChatGPT to generate compelling content for your Pinterest pins. Engage with ChatGPT to enhance pin descriptions, explore fresh angles, craft engaging call to actions, and polish your pins for optimal performance. Leverage Pin Inspector to gain insights into popular keywords. Stay ahead with top trends, analyze successful boards, and gain insights from top pinners. Pin Inspector provides valuable data to optimize your Pinterest strategy and drive engagement. Sarah was a passionate entrepreneur driven by the ambition to generate income through the internet. She had a burning desire to make money online but struggled to find the right platform to showcase her affiliate products. That's when she stumbled upon the untapped potential of Pinterest. Intrigued by its massive user base and incredible engagement, Sarah saw an opportunity waiting to be seized. Sarah quickly learned that Pinterest was not just a platform for recipes and DIY crafts. It was a powerful hub of inspiration where users actively sought out products and solutions. She realized that by harnessing the magic of Pinterest, she could tap into a vast audience of potential buyers. One of the most enticing benefits of Pinterest for affiliate marketing is its enormous user base. With over 400 million monthly active users, it's a goldmine of untapped potential. Sarah marveled at the thought of reaching a massive audience with her carefully curated pins. But it wasn't just the size of the user base that excited Sarah. It was the quality of the traffic on Pinterest. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest users come with a buying mindset. They actively search for solutions, making them highly motivated and more likely to convert into customers. Sarah knew that tapping into this pool of buyer traffic could skyrocket her affiliate earnings. To begin her Pinterest affiliate marketing journey, Sarah needed to select the right products to promote. She discovered Digistore24, a leading affiliate platform with a wide range of products and attractive commission rates. With Digistore24, Sarah had the freedom to choose products that aligned with her niche and resonated with her audience. Set up your Digistore24 account. If you haven't done so already, create and set up your Digistore24 account. Ensure you are logged in and switch to the affiliate view by clicking on the top left-hand corner. Access the marketplace in the top right-hand corner. Click on the marketplace option to enter the product search area. Determine your product preferences. Consider what you are looking for in a product. It is recommended to focus on products that align with your line of business or personal interests. This approach allows you to promote products effectively and potentially discover hidden gems. Start by exploring. Search the product names such as diabetes. Review the product description. Once you find a product of interest, examine its description. This section provides information about the product itself and the benefits you can gain from promoting it. If you want more details, click on the provided link to visit the sales page. Now check the key figures associated with each product. These figures are calculated based on data from the past 30 days, assuming the product has had some sales within that time frame. However, if the product is relatively new or hasn't had many sales, the information may be limited. Don't dismiss a product solely based on this information, as it could still be worthwhile. Focus on the two most important values, the affiliate commission and your expected earnings per sale. When selecting commission types, you should bear in mind that some merchants offer a fixed rate as opposed to a percentage of costs. Moreover, it is important to consider the popularity of the product. It's not always about finding the highest commission. Consider how frequently the product is purchased, which can be determined by the cart conversion rate. A higher cart conversion rate means you need to refer fewer customers to earn money statistically. Additionally, take into account the product's popularity, which is determined by various factors like revenue and the number of affiliates promoting it. Popularity can provide insights into the product's existing success, although it doesn't guarantee quality. Check for advertising media. Many vendors provide their own advertising media, such as product images, pre-written newsletters, or social media texts. These resources can simplify your promotional efforts. Look for advertising media by clicking on affiliate support pages or advertising media selection in the bottom right-hand corner. The former may lead to a separate vendor page with additional information, while the latter is a feature within Digistore 24 where you can download the advertising media directly. Select and promote a product. Once you have considered all the aspects and decided on a product to promote, click on Promote Now located on the right-hand side. If the vendor requires manual approval for affiliations, be patient and allow at least 2 working days for the vendor to review and accept your application. In cases where affiliations are accepted automatically, you will find your promo link to start promoting immediately. Share your promo link with potential buyers, and whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you will automatically receive the corresponding commission. But here's where things got really interesting. Sarah found a powerful ally in ChatGPT, a text generation tool. With ChatGPT, she could effortlessly generate compelling content for her Pinterest pins. She simply asked ChatGPT specific questions about her niche, and it provided her with engaging tips, catchy titles, and enticing pin descriptions. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with ChatGPT. Before using ChatGPT, craft a brief Pinterest description prompt you want to enhance. Include key details such as the theme, purpose, target audience, and any specific elements you want to highlight. Step 2. Engage with ChatGPT. Input your pin description brief into ChatGPT and engage in a conversation with the tool. ChatGPT will analyze your brief and generate creative suggestions, ideas, and even wordplay to enhance your pin content. Step 3. Explore fresh angles and storytelling techniques. Review the suggestions provided by ChatGPT and explore new angles and storytelling techniques for your pin. Consider different perspectives, unique narratives, and compelling ways to capture your audience's attention. Step 4. Craft engaging call to actions. Leverage ChatGPT's intelligent suggestions to create powerful call to actions within your pin description. Experiment with different language styles, persuasive phrases, and enticing prompts that encourage users to click, engage, and take action. Step 5. Polish and optimize your pins. Once you've generated and selected the most captivating ideas from ChatGPT, begin polishing your pin description. Edit and refine the generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice, is grammatically correct, and effectively communicates your message. Once you have identified your niche and subtopics, make sure that it is a popular one. Go to Pin Inspector. Step 6. Generate popular keywords. Utilize Pin Inspector to quickly generate hundreds of top popular keywords directly from the Pinterest Auto-Suggest engine. Always have fresh keyword ideas at your fingertips to optimize your content, including board names, pin titles, hashtags, and more. Leverage the powerful high-converting keywords to enhance your Pinterest presence and drive engagement. Step 7. Stay ahead with top trends and stay ahead of the competition. By extracting the latest trending searches directly from the Pinterest Trends section, simply click the latest trends button to instantly access these trends. Gain insights into search volume data for trending search phrases over a full year. Maximize your research by entering any keyword and generating hundreds of trending search phrases using alphabet appends. Import keyword lists to extract related trending search phrases. Step 8. The Pin Inspector's Boards Analyzer empowers you to analyze successful boards, extracting 14 plus data points for each Pinterest board. Gain insights into which boards generate the most traffic for maximum success. Follow and repin from these boards strategically to enhance your Pinterest presence. Pin Inspector makes it easier than ever to gain inspiration and reverse engineer successful content from top pinners. Use these insights to enhance your own Pinterest strategy and drive engagement. To bring her pins to life, Sarah turned to Canva, a user-friendly design tool. With Canva, she could select stunning templates, import the content generated by ChatGPT, and customize her pins with eye-catching images, shapes, headings, and subheadings. Sarah was amazed at how simple it was to create visually appealing pins that would grab the attention of Pinterest users. With her beautifully crafted pins ready, Sarah uploaded them to Pinterest following a simple step-by-step process. She created her Pinterest profile, style, establish boards relevant to her niche, and publish her pins consistently. Sarah knew that consistency was key, so she ensured she had a steady stream of captivating pins to captivate her audience. To manage her affiliate links effectively, Sarah turned to Linktree. Linktree provided her with a convenient way to organize and share her affiliate links in one place. She created a Linktree profile and added her affiliate links from Digistore24. Sarah also made sure to use a link shortening service compatible with Pinterest, ensuring her links were clean and professional. But what good are pins if nobody sees them? Sarah knew she needed to promote her pins to drive traffic. She adopted a strategic approach, consistently posting valuable content and including compelling call to actions within her pins. She also utilized the link in her Pinterest bio to direct traffic to her affiliate offers. Sarah understood that patience and long-term commitment were essential to seeing sustainable success. Now, it's your turn to take action. Are you ready to unlock the power of Pinterest and embark on a profitable affiliate marketing journey? We've created a free affiliate marketing guide that will walk you through the step-by-step process of leveraging Pinterest to maximize your earnings. Simply click the link in the description below to access your free guide and start your journey towards financial freedom. We value your feedback. Let us know in the comments section if you found this video helpful and whether you'd like to see more free or paid traffic strategies in the future. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication and persistence. Stay committed, embrace the power of Pinterest, and watch your affiliate earnings soar. Now that you have seen how AI side hustles have changed people's lives, it is time for you to take action. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Begin your own AI-powered side hustle today and enjoy the financial freedom and flexibility you have always desired.